This is an extra special 1970 Cutlass Supreme convertible. I bought this from the original owner. He bought this car brand new. This part of the 3-car collection that I've been talking about. We got the 60 Bonneville that his dad bought new. This here, you can't see it yet, but there's a 4-speed sitting in between those bucket seats. So it's a number match 350 with 310 horsepower. It's got a 4-speed. It's got the posi. It's got the rallye suspension. It's factory red with white interior. This is an extremely rare, extremely desirable car. There's no exact numbers how many 4-speeds were in a Cutlass, but in a convertible, I mean, it's literally a handful. It's so few, it's ridiculous. And then bundle it all up, number match with all the goodies I just mentioned. It has the rallye gauges in the dash too. This is a rare, special find. Go to volocars.com, and that's where you can read all about it. Look at pictures top to bottom. That's where you'll find the price tag of every car we have for sale, along with the monthly finance option to make it easy for you. There's also a Buy It Now button, make it real easy. But you hit that button, that just locks it up for you if you're really thinking about it and want to talk to the salesman. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon, then you're notified when these videos are posted. But for right now, tops down, let's go for a spin. All right, it is a genuine Matador red car, code 75. Let's check out the body. I'm noticing the gap on the hood is completely flush. Front fender, really nice and clean. Very nice. The lines are right on the money. There's no bubbles down there. It's all straight, clean. Rockers, all nice and clean. Now I'm going to run my finger right along here. There are no bubbles. Doesn't feel bumpy or rusty. All clean even underneath there. Wow, it does not have the cracks that are typically here. So all fits real nice. Cutlass is also rust along here. This one looks really good. All that's looking really nice. Now this side, looking to be just as good as the other side. All nice, clean. Real nice, clean. Fits nice, straight. The body's excellent. There you have it. The red paint is smooth and glossy, nice bright red. I didn't see any flaws while we were looking at the body. Didn't really notice anything at all. Paint job looks really nice. We'll call it an 8 or 9 just to be safe. I mean, really, I don't see any cracking. I don't see any chips or anything like that. Beautiful paint. Windshield's real clear. Yeah, it wipes off. The moldings are just good, original. There's some little bumps underneath this vinyl. That's a little bit of rust underneath there. Nothing to really worry about. These eyebrows look new. Moldings look real nice. The side moldings look real sharp. All nice, clean. Looks like new door handles. The trim is nice. The convertible top, you can see pictures of it. It's a power top. Pictures on our website. It's in really good shape. Convertible top boot. Just threw it on in a hurry. We have to put the top up in order to attach this to the seat. And take your time a little bit with it. That'll fit much nicer. It's just at the end of the day, I didn't have time to do that right now. It's got the rubber bumpers or fillers between the bumper. Bumper's got slight wear on it. It might be the original, but it's nice and straight. Fits the body real nice. Emblem looks new. Yeah, lines up with the body. See that right there? The rallye wheels are in excellent shape. They're painted. All the trim is shiny. Personally, I'd put on some white lettered, probably BF Goodrich tires, make it look like a muscle car. It really is a muscle car with all the goodies it has. The window seals are soft, has a remote mirror. That looks like new. So the outside of the car is looking really nice. Up front, T3 correct headlights, all 4 of them. The grills are real nice. All the chrome, all the trim is real nice. This spear is really shiny. That must be new. So yeah, it looks great. Let's open it up, see how the inside looks. Okay. Under the trunk lid is painted nicely. It's got all the stickers, including for the posi. The jamb is a little dry and clean metal. Working trunk light. Now inside the trunk compartment, it's all rock solid metal. It's been spatter painted, has the correct gray felt Oldsmobile mat and tire cover. There is a spare under here. The jack is under there, and it has the lug wrench. Got a new well liner at the top, goes down into. Now to be very honest, there's a little tiny bumpy starting right there. Car's been painted for a while too. Fortunately, his health isn't that great, and I think he stopped using the car about 10 years ago, so the paint job is at least that old. Door jambs are respectable. Rubber weather strips look good. Door panels look nice. The wood grain's a little wrinkled. This whole dash area is nice. It has the hood lock. That's an option. You have the rallye pack gauges, the tick-tock tachometer. And again, none of this is broken or beat up. This will clean up nicer. They must have rushed this one through a little bit. Cigarette lighter matches the knobs. Yeah, all this chrome will sparkle a little bit better. It's not beat up or broken. Nice kick panels. Gerald Toohey, so you do what you want with these. Has real nice carpet underneath there, but that's his initials. This is the original shifter. I just noticed there's a letter H on here. That is the factory shifter. That's how it's supposed to look. I was just researching and I found that. Got an 8-track player. You got a center console. It's unique for a 4-speed, kind of rare. You got the nice white upholstery. Interior lights working back. You got the original seat belts for everyone. Upholstery's real nice. Side panels are real nice. The backs of the seats are replaced. It has a deluxe or sport steering wheel, they call it. The visors look good. So yeah, rally gauges, sport wheel, hood lock, center console, 8-track player, bucket seats. In 70, the 350 was 310 horsepower. It's all stock. It is VIN number matching. It did chrome the air cleaner and valve covers. I am going to have them clean this some more. Yeah, I don't know if they were done with this one. But all the stuff is here, all the tubing and heat riser, and everything is complete. It's just the way it should be. All the metal is nice. These are plastic. Does have power steering. It's got power brakes. Squirters are hooked up. Got hood insulation. Got a hood light. So yeah, a little more detail. You got a really nice motor compartment. There's that nice deep Oldsmobile sound. Oh, and the belt squeal. An idle, it kind of sounds like a boat. And it's got a bit of a cam. Not used to getting into one of these and pushing on a clutch. So underneath this car is real solid floors, all that look real good. I mentioned it has the rally suspension, which is the same as a 442 would get, or a Chevelle Super Sport. It has sway bars front and back, boxed rear control arms. The front end does look like it's been rebuilt, not brand new, but it's all been redone. It's got a dual exhaust. It's stainless pipe going to the mufflers and then aluminized on the way back out. You look up at the motor, it has a chrome oil pan also. The starter looks pretty fresh. It is the VIN number match M20 Muncie 4-speed that this car came with. It does have a posi rear end with an aluminum W27 finned cover. It helps keep the fluid a little cooler. So underneath, everything looks proper and tidy. Disc brakes in front, e-brake is hooked up. So again, this is a rare car. I'm going to send it back to the shop, get a little more detail done on it. But all things considered, just a red and white Cutlass, if this was an automatic, it's a special car. One owner is really special. The 4-speed posi, rally suspension, and it's a 70 with the 310 horsepower motor. It's a really, really special car. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions, including how to park this in your driveway, how to get it there, how to finance it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon to be notified when the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.